Hello folks, this is a Squawk Box, human presence sound generator built on a Deemer box, which is a Bluetooth speaker built into a Pelican case, which makes it pretty indestructible and water and dust proof. Inside, using a cheap Walmart phone to run an app that is a repeating alarm app. Could be set for any time of the day for once a minute for 24 hours, so it's pretty convenient. We have can be solar charged. We've got a Nomad 10 solar panel, which is to a quick disconnect USB connection, which is a watertight port that charges the battery through a charge controller, charges the battery bank, which in turn charges the phone. So it's completely solar compatible. Pretty easy to operate. All it is, turn it on, and it will pair with the phone, and you're ready to go. So that's Squawk Box. Thanks for watching.